Winged microchip is smallest human-made flying structure. A release by Northwestern University described this microflyer as the smallest ever human-made flying structures. The research has been published in Nature and is featured on the cover of the journal. Northwestern University engineers have created an electronic microchip with the capability of flight, about the size of grain of sand. The new flying microchip does not have a motor or engine. Instead, it catches flight on the wind much like a maple tree propeller said, and spins like a helicopter through the air towards the ground. A release by Northwestern University described this microflyer as the smallest ever human-made flying structure. The research has been published in Nature and is featured on the cover of the journal. By studying maple tree and other types of wind dispersed seed, the engineers optimized the microflyer's aerodynamics to ensure that when dropped at a high elevation fall at a slow velocity in a controlled manner. This behavior stabilizes its flight, ensures dispersal over a broad area, and increases the amount of time it interacts with the air, making it ideal for monitoring air pollution and airborne disease. These microflares can be packed with ultra miniature technology including sensors, power sources, antennas for wireless communication, and embedded memory to store data, the release said. Our goal was to add winged flight to small scale electronic system with the idea that these capabilities would allow us to distribute highly functional miniaturized electronic devices to sense the environment for contamination monitoring, population surveillance, or disease tracking. The release quoted John A. Rogers, who led the device development, as saying, the team designed and built many different types of microflyers, including one with three wings optimized to similar shapes and angles as the wings on a Tristelia seed. To pinpoint the most ideal structure, they led for full-scale computational modeling of how the air flows around the device to mimic the Tristelia seed slowly. Controlled rotation. Based on this modeling, the team then built and tested structures in the lab. Thank you.